What's going on, everybody? It's Dmitry from FlexRC, and today I wanted to talk about night performance of Caddx camera, which I happen to have installed on Ascent X 5-inch iFly. So it's getting dark now around 5 p.m. just when I finish my work, and I still want to fly. What to do? So what I've done, I installed a Runcam Micro Eagle camera, which lets me see up to like it's completely dark. And I also have Caddx camera, which I use for HD video recording. And this time I thought, why not to try what kind of video result I can get with it. And I was actually pleasantly surprised. Let's watch it. Alright, let's start flying. And right away we can see that video has a lot of this ISO noise. But it is actually very decent. I cannot complain too much because of how dark it actually was. So on the video it actually looks much brighter than it is. And I'm not going to talk a lot about how much fun I had flying Ascent X. It just felt so nice and easy to control. And even with my far from ideal piloting skills, it felt like I have a great feeling of where it's flying, and I had such a nice control of it. I didn't have any fears that it won't fly where I wanted to go, and it was just doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm sure that it would have been much more challenging to fly with Caddx Turtle as your primary FPV camera in these light conditions, and because I'm using Runcam Micro Eagle, it is much easier to navigate because of how well it handles dark situations. I like how well Ascent X can handle these flip after crash situations. It seems to have this just enough of spacing for propellers to spin when it ends up upside down, which I truly enjoy because I don't have to run and pick it up, I just flip back and fly again. I was actually surprised that I didn't hit anything when I was flying other than one crash when I didn't estimate how far the drone is from the ground. And in these light conditions and 5-inch, it is remarkable for myself, and I do actually think it is because Ascent X 5-inch just flies so well out of the box. I didn't really have to adjust PIDs at all, other than for 5S batteries, where I had to decrease p-value quite a bit. But just for 4S with my motors, it flies so nice and smooth. And what is even more interesting, it is so quiet. I was able to fly, and then I asked my friends which were waiting for me in the car, and they didn't actually hear it at all. So you can actually fly in your neighborhood without bothering your neighbors, which is very good. I'm actually very surprised how well Caddx Turtle can handle these night conditions, and I think with good planning you can get some epic footage which will compete with certain models of GoPro. I hope you had fun watching it with me. Congratulations, you made it till the end of this video. Why not to celebrate it by subscribing to the channel? You earned it.